Hi, good evening. Kedu ka unu mere? How are you doing? Unu rekpo ole? Or what people will say, unu rekpo ole. That's how are you people. Mbise will say, olo otu unu mere. The same thing. Anambra will say, kedu ka ọ dị? So, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to talk about greetings in Igbo. And we'll make some sentences. So, ndị be anyị, mma mmanụ. Kedu ka unu mere? So I will try as much as possible to speak the central Igbo, which we call Igbo Izugbe. During the weekend, we will talk about the Igbo alphabets. 36 of them in number. We'll talk about the Igbo alphabet and how they are being coined to make or form some words. Okay? Kedu. K-E-K-E-D-U. K-E-D-U. Kedu is one word. Kedu is a phrase. It means how are you? If you don't want to make a sentence, it's just a phrase that can stand on its own. Kedu, how are you? How? Kedu. Then if you want to put it in a sentence, kedu ka ị mere? How are you? Kedu ka ọ dị? How is it? Kedu maka ụmụaka? Kedu maka? How are ụmụaka? Children, how are the children? Kedu maka ụmụaka gị? Gị is your. How are your children? Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Then if somebody says ụtụtụ ọma Maazị Okoro, that is good morning Maazị Okoro, your response will be ụtụtụ ọma. Ọ bụrụ nwanyị, if it's a lady, if it's a lady, let's take for instance, if it's a lady who maybe either your mate or thereabout or your younger one, you can just say, just respond ụtụtụ ọma nwanyị ọma. That is good morning, good woman, if you don't want to call the person by her name. What now follows could be another question, kind of compliments, kind of asking. Kedu ka unu mere? Ụtụtụ ọma nwanyị ọma, kedu ka unu mere? That's good morning, good woman. Good morning, beautiful woman. Good morning, madam. How are you people? If somebody asks you, kedu ka ị mere? They say, adị m mma. I am fine. Adị m mma. Now, kedu ka ị mere is a central Igbo. We have got dialects. Mbise, which is my own clan. We say, ole otu mere, ole otu ede. Owere can speak, irikpo ole. That is Owerri. Erekpole. So, like I said, I'm going to concentrate on the Central Igbo. What is Central Igbo? It's called Igbo Izugbe. Igbo Izugbe is the Igbo that you will speak. Anybody that is an Igbo man will hear and understand you. We have the 5 core southeastern states: Imo, Abia, Anambra, Enugu, and Ebonyi State. Igbo nation is not just about these 5 states. There are other states that are not in the southeastern part of Nigeria that are Igbos. You have Igbos in Delta. They call them Delta Igbos. They speak their dialect, but once you speak Central Igbo, they understand you. You have Igbo speaking part of Kogi State, Igalamela. You have Igbo speaking part in Benue State. Igbo speaking part in Edo, the Igbankes. I am focusing our attention today on the Central Igbo. Remember greetings. Even an illiterate grandmom can still greet good morning, good afternoon, ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Oma is good. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma nwa m. Good afternoon, my child. Kedu olee otu ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Olee otu ị dị? How are you? What will you say? I am fine. Adị m mma. Adị m mma. I am fine. A is the pronoun. I am fine. And night is abalị ọma. Good night. I want to greet people. Well done. Oh. Greetings to all of you. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Ndewo no. No. You're just greeting people. Hi. 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 Ndewo no. Ndewo. You send back the ndewo. Chukwu gozie gị. God bless you. Chukwu is God. Gozie is bless. Gị, you. Unu abịala? Nnọọ. If it's Imo, unu abịala? Anambra, nnọọ. Nnọọ. Central Igbo. Welcome. Welcome. And you say thank you. Imeela. Ekele. Ndaalụ. Thank you. Where are you going to? Di m ọma. No. My darling husband. Welcome. Ị lọla. Ị lọtago. Ị lọtala. Welcome. Have you come home? Have you come back? It could be anything, but in this regard is a lotago is welcome. A lola, welcome. No. Kedu ka ọrụ siri gaa taa? How did you go at work? Ike gwụrụ m. I'm just tired. Oh, nna. I know. Ama m. Ngwa, jee ka itife efe gị. Ngwa, gaa ka itife efe gị. Gaa yisicha efe. Oh, I understand. Go and remove your clothes. Go and undress yourself. Go ka ị bịa jee bathroom jee saa ahụ. Undress, change your clothes. Go and take your shower. Esiri m gị nri ahụ na-atọ gị ụtọ. I prepared that your favorite dish. These are some things you tell your spouse, your husband, you know. Ah, nwoke ọma, ịmakazi, handsome man. You are looking good. Oh, nwanyị ọma. Oh, asanwa, akuku. These are the things you tell your wives' heads will swell. Akuku. You know what is ugu? Ego. Ego's egg. Akuku. You know when you just give somebody, go swell, your head will just swell up. Chukwu gozie gị. God bless you. Then your response, goziekwa gị. Bless you too. Let's just engage in a kind of conversation. I'm going to create a scenario where I want to welcome somebody who is knocking at the door. Now, Mr. Okay is coming to visit me. Let's see the scenario. Bye, bye, bye. Knocking in Igbo land, you knock with mouth or hand. Doorbell, traditional Igbo homes back in the day, so not now. Nothing like doorbells. Bye, bye, bye. Bam, bam. You, you are, you are clapping hands and you are using mouth to clap hands. Bang, bang, bam. Bye, bye, nebe. Knock, knock here. Bye, bye, nebe. Bam, bam, nebe. Knock, knock here. Mr. Okay has come now. Knock, knock here. Bam, bam, nebe. Ndị na-ebe unokweaye. Is anybody home? Knock, knock, knock. Bye, bye, bye. Is anybody home? Now I will answer from inside. Onye na-akụ? Onye dị ihe ahụ? Who is knocking? Or who is that? Oh, nwoke. Okay. Onye agbata obi gị. Is me is okay, your neighbor. Oh, chere ka m gbapụ ụzọ. Okay, wait. I'm coming to open the door for you. Oh, nna o tekwela aka o. That's exchanging pleasantries now. Ah, my man. Ah, bro. It's been a while. You now reply, nna o tekwela. Kekwen maka ezinụlọ nwaanyị gị na ụmụ gị afụọla. That's okay. He's not replying. Yes, so it's been a while, my brother. How is your family? Your wife and children, are they at home or they have gone out? I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed it. So just drop your questions in the comment section. Say which part that you like. Just drop what you want to learn, what you have learned today in the comment section. Please remember to bring your friend to this channel. Visit my YouTube. I'm going to pin down my YouTube on this post. Visit the YouTube. Of course, my Facebook page or personal profile is Eze Felix. EZE. Egg, zebra, egg. Then Felix. Felix. Egg, zebra, egg. Felix. F for France. France, egg, leopard, igloo, xylophone. Like I said, we'll be dropping videos every day to teach us Igbo language. It's very easy. Igbo is one of the easiest languages to learn. But mind you, I'm not going to teach you the bad ones. Those bad ones, I'm not going to teach you those bad ones. Okay? I will teach you the ones you need to know. I will teach you, at least if you go out as a non-Igbo speaking bride, when you now go to the village, meet people like my grandmom, who when she was alive didn't know much about English, so that you'll be able to relate with them. At least ndewo onye ọcha. Greetings, white lady, white man. Oh, ndewo oyibo. Ndewo nwaanyị ofe mmanụ. That is greetings Yoruba woman, depending on your tribe. They can just use your tribe. See, in Igbo, they don't need your name to address you. You see, Igbo is a tribe that very intelligent people, just like every other tribe, right? We don't need your name. We give you name. Once you come in, you are a white person, even if you are not white, even if you are not from the West, even if you are from Nigeria, but you're fair, Oyibo. Like, as I am, let's take for instance, I visit my in-laws place and people gather or people are gathered. They don't need to start asking anybody what is his name. Oh, Nwokocha, fair man. If you are dark, Nwokoji, dark man, black man. Nwokogologo, tall man. They will just be giving you that name. If you have if you are of plus size, they're not saying it to insult you or be rude, no. If you are plus size, nwaanyị ukwu, that is giant woman, fat woman, big woman, nwaanyị ukwu. Then if you have big head, they will not call you big head, but if they are describing you to another person, nwoke isi ukwu, that boy that has big head. Nwoke isi nkwọcha, that's me, the bald-headed man. So please, thank you for visiting this channel. Thank you for coming. You are very important to me. That is why we are doing this video. I want you to learn Igbo with me and with your support. The only support I want is share my videos, invite your friends to come to our channel, follow my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok account, follow my Facebook. That's all I want. If you want to give me stars on Facebook, that is fine. Very good. But I want you to watch, comment, like, share my videos, invite people to come. See you at the comment section. Rate our teachings today. We could get better. See you same time, same session. Tomorrow will be for news. We will be alternating it. News today, teach Igbo tomorrow. Like yesterday, I dropped our Igbo news. I'm sorry to people. I'm very, very sorry. Sincere apologies to those who couldn't understand or who were unable to understand anything there in the news the news broadcast yesterday. Going forward, we'll be doing Igbo and English version. After giving the Igbo version, give the English version in one video. Okay? Just comment, like, share, love, hit, share, invite people. Thank you and God bless. Do have a wonderful night. Day one.